welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then go ahead and keep on watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you never ever miss a video. So the palette that I went in with today is the Blue Moon palette from Colourpop. I really like this palette for creating really colorful looks in the blue tones range, because it has a really nice selection of mattes and shimmers. And this is what the palette looks like on the inside. I've used it quite a few times here on my channel and I absolutely love it. So of course I first went in with some primer. I used my Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and then I just set it in place with translucent powder. And the first shade that I went in with is Starry Eyed, which is this really light baby blue matte shade. And I just put that shade in my crease with a big fluffy blending brush, just going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next, I went in with the shade Fine China, which is a deeper matte blue shade, and I just picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I just mapped out where I want to add definition in my crease. But don't worry, it does look kind of harsh, but we will go in with a fluffier blending brush and that first transition shade. So here you see me just blending out that line, just going in circular motions and back and forth motions, and I did go back in with the shade Starry Eyed. Next, I went in with the Villains collection from Colourpop, and I used the Jelly Much shadow in Just Your Voice, which is this really beautiful blue shade, and it has a lot of hints of purple, and it just has a really beautiful reflex to it, so I just packed that all over my entire lid. And then for lashes, I went in with our Sofie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. I'll leave the link to these lashes in the description box down below, but they currently are 50% off. So if you've always wanted to try our lashes, this is the perfect time. But unfortunately, once everything sells, it will not be restocked. So make sure you put your hands on it if you've always wanted it. So I just applied that lash, and then moving on to the lower lash line, I went in with that first transition shade Starry Eyed, and I just started on the lower lash line on the outer corner, fading it inwards. And then going in with that deeper blue shade Fine China, I just started to apply that to the outermost edge on my lower lash line as well, and then lightly fading it inwards and blending it out with that first transition shade as well. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!